Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take some time to show you a vapor blaster project I've been working on for quite some time. Kind of one main difference with this one is it's controlled with a PLC, a Click PLC. They're very easy to program. As you can see in here, got the white cable, the programming cable hooked up to it still, but it's a very easy way to do it. The Click PLC is really economical. So we'll do a quick walk around of the unit, and then I'll show you how it operates. So we've got an air solenoid, air regulator, a DC power supply, and a switch for light inside. So let's go around and take a look at that. The light inside is basically like a light bar that you'd see on a Jeep or something like that. Works really well. We've got fresh water in here. We've got all Flexzilla hoses. There's the spray bar. We'll show you that here in just a minute. It actually works really well as well. But it's not complete yet. But I thought I'd get something out there for you guys so you can see what you can do with these little PLCs. Now, this unit, I've got a switch on it. The system won't activate unless the door is closed. We've got a pump for the wash and a solenoid. And what I do in the program, I load the pump for about a second and then bring the solenoid on so it'll spray the window. So we've got the slurry pump down in there. I'm still working on how I'm going to reclaim this glass and media coming out of this thing. So that's still a work in progress. So let's walk around again to the front, and I'll show you a little bit about how it works. Now, what I decided to do on this one, it's foot pedal operated, or I can go full auto without stepping on a pedal. And I'll show you how that works. Sometimes when you're working on blasting cabinets and you got your foot pressed on something, eventually you get tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a cabinet up here and we'll see. So again, it's gonna make a little bit of a mess here, but that's okay. I'll wash it out here shortly. So right now we're basically in run mode on the PLC. So if you wanted to run a full automatic mode, basically all you're going to do is push this green button. As you can see there, we open a door up, it kills the system. See if I can get the gun over here so you can see a little bit about what it's doing. It's a Tesari pump or something like that. It's basically the same one everybody uses. So basically when you shut off, hit the green button again. Shut it off. You just hit the E-stop button there. Now let me show you how it works with the foot pedal. So basically what's going on with the pump system, I bring the air solenoid on first and wait 2 seconds and then bring the slurry. You know, keeps away any chance of any slurry getting down there. It does have a check valve on it as well, but it's basically got a 2-second delay to bring the slurry on. And then there's a series of timers and things that are activating the window wash and pump, the slurry pump, all those things like that. So now we're just in regular mode. You know, say we want to just use it like a normal blaster. Oh, here we go. So you gotta have the e-stop off. So we'll bring this up here if we can reach, and I'll show you. We're just going to depress the button. All the timers are going to work like normal. We let off the foot pedal and it stops. So it can be used either way. Everything that goes on in the program works either with the manual or the auto. Open it up, watch, you can see it run through some of the stuff inside here. So, like I said, right now I've been adjusting some timers and things. Let's go over and take a look at the software in the Click real quick. So just for instance, if you were going to make a couple changes to this, you would go into stop mode. We'll go around here, and my computers went to sleep, but we actually have, this is the connection to the Click. It uses this connection right here. So this is some of your programming in it. Now, I'm not a PLC programmer. Actually, this is the first one I've learned on. I built this control system about 4 years ago, and I was waiting to build a custom cabinet, and I just never got around to it, so I decided to use a Harbor Freight cabinet. But up here you can see, let's scroll up there, you can see some logic going on with the being able to use the foot pedal or the auto mode. Series of timers. There's the 2-second delay on the slurry pump. Window washer pump. It's got an 8-second delay on it from start, and then it runs for 1 second, so it doesn't stay on very long. There's some provisions in there and some of the switches on the front of the control cabinet, or for wipers if I decide to put a wiper on it. I can put that on the timer too. But these things are real simple. So right now, if I wanted to make an adjustment to this timer, I can simply click this, open up that timer, and say I wanted just say I wanted an extra second on there. I could back that out, put 2 in there, click OK, and then come up here, write project to the PLC. Come on. Okay. It's writing it to the PLC. Transfer complete. Okay. And then what you would do is you would go over to the PLC and click it into run mode. So you would click this into run mode, and then the system's ready to run. So the timers are real easy to change. And basically it's a learning curve to it, but it's not too bad. But the Click PLCs are extremely cheap. So I just wanted to get that out there and show you guys, and then moving forward, I'll get some more video on the how I recover the media once I come up with that. But if you like this kind of stuff, you can subscribe to the channel, and I do all kinds of different things. It's a CNC plasma table I built using a Masso control system, touchscreen, things like that. I've got a fastback Mustang that I'm working on. I've got lathes that I'm doing some work on. So if any of that stuff interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.